Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your SamCart, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to your SamCart? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Analytics to SamCart anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track conversions, and Google Analytics is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and most of it's handled here in your SamCart dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my SamCart, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Analytics, I want to let you know you need to have your Google Analytics property ID first. If you need help finding that in your Google Analytics account, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. Once you have the ID, you're going to copy it to your clipboard, and once you get back here to your SamCart dashboard, you're going to click on settings here on the left. It looks like a gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here on tracking and pixels. Once you do that, you'll see this menu, but look for this line right here, Google Analytics, and you want to turn on this radio button right here. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and paste in your tracking ID. Okay, once you've pasted it in, go ahead and click on Save Changes here on the top right. All right, next you're going to see this little pop-up, Track Pixel Settings Successfully Updated. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics to your SamCart, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.